mu bihe bikomeye.
In a difficult time.
Mu bihe bikomeye.
In a difficult
Imana
time.
yambara umubiri w'umuntu akagukomeza.
God will put on flesh to strengthen you.
Agakora no ku marangamutima
And He
yawe.
will touch your emotions.
Imana itegekera ubuzima bwawe umuntu kwitaho.
God will command a person specifically for your life.
Ugasigara wibaza uyu muntu yavuye. Ntacha gusaba, ntacha gukeneye, akeneye kuzamuka.
Then you will wonder, where is this person? They are definitely God sent, raising you to another level.
Nta nyunga gushakamo, nta mpana gushakamo, nta kintu yahamagariwe kukuzamuka.
With no ulterior motives. They don't need anything from you. They are just called to bless you.
Imana yaguhamagaye ngo uhindure ubuzima bw'iwanyu.
God called you that you will change the life of your family.
Uhindure ubuzima
You will
bw'umwanyu.
change the life of your family.
Kwa so
Or at your father's
hakenewe
house.
umuntu.
They need grace.
Kwa mama wawe hakeneye umuntu.
In your mother's house, they need a
Ugomba
grace.
guhindura amateka y'iwanyu.
You need to change your family history.
Amazina babahaye akabavaho bakambara umwambaro mushya.
Then,
Yeah!
hallelujah.
Hallelujah!
The names they have given you which are not good, you need to put on a new garment for your family.